Hello, this is a quick video that will prevent that you remove files or your file system accidentally. So let's create an example. I'm going to create a folder and a file. Okay. Now the normal way to remove this folder is using the rm command. rm recursive force temp folder. Now if you run this command, there is no way to bring back that folder. If you see the trash bin, the folder will not be there. You need a special tool to recover that file. So what you can do instead? You can install a trash tool. In this case, I'm going to install trash-cli. Okay. Now let's do the example again. I'm going to create a folder and I'm going to create a file. Now instead of doing the rm command, I'm going to do trash temp folder, and to see the trash bin content, I can do trash list. Okay, there are some other folders that I removed previously. I can restore the temp folder, so I can do trash restore temp folder. I choose the last one. Now if I check the content of the current folder, the directory is there. Now you can replace the rm command with the trash command if you modify your config of your shell. In this case, I'm using CSH. So at the bottom, I'm going to put alias rm equals trash. Okay. Now I'm going to reload the config. Now if I run the rm command, I will be running the trash command instead. So let's do an example. I'm going to create another folder and another file. Okay. Now if I run the rm command and then I watch the content of the trash bin, the folder 3 is there. Now I can restore this folder. Okay. Now if I want to remove everything, first I send the folders to the trash bin and then I remove them from the trash bin. So I'm going to remove temp folder and temp folder 3. I'm going to see the content of the trash list, and now that I'm really sure that I don't want this folders. I can do trash rm and everything. Now I check the content and the content is still there. I think I need to remove it one by one, maybe. Let's try. There. And there. Trash list. There. Now it's empty. So this will prevent that you pass a bad time. So hope you like it. See you.